Hi, let's draw Forget-Me-Not with Anna today. First, I will draw a small branch here with a tiny little flower here with 5 petals. 4, 5. And the second flower will be here. That's easy, right? Yes. And here will be a little bird. And the second branch on the right with some more flower. Oh, if you are not subscribed our channel, don't forget to click the subscribe so you can get more videos from us. Yeah, so now we have 4 flowers already. One more here. Yeah. And here. This is the 6th flowers. And I'm going to draw some more birds. Another one here. And the last one. Here we go. Finished drawing and let's make the branch a little bigger. So I add one more line along the branch and I'm going to draw one leaf here. Yeah, that's it. Let's color it. I love the color, the blue color of Forget-Me-Not flowers. Looks so charming. I use the water with the colored pencil, so it gives a really nice color. But the thing is, I use it with the photocopy paper, so be careful with this paper. It doesn't hold the water well, so better to use with the watercolor paper. It will give a much better effect. But still, I love how it come out. In this video, I want to share with you a love story behind the Forget-Me-Not flower. This is a story about the united love. That is about a French knight was walking along a river with his lady. He bent down to pick her a pretty little blue flower, but his heavy armor caused him to lose his balance, and he fell into a current. Before sinking forever, he tossed the flower to his lady, shouting, "Forget me not." And that's how the forget-me-not got its name. Curiously, even if the legend is French, the name has been essentially lost in France, where they simply call the plant Miss Ausotis. I'm not sure about how to pronounce it after its Latin name, but the name Forget-me-not lives on not only in English, but in other languages like German, Spanish, Italian, or even in Vietnamese too. I'm coloring the branch. See, there's a little blue go out of the petal, so because of that, I will give a little color on the background to make it more like I intentionally put the color on the background just to make it balanced. After this, I will put a little more of the yellow too. Here I found one saying about the forget-me-not too, like something similar. Never forget me never. But when you forget me forever. I see a little water there. After this, I almost finished the drawing. Let's see. I like it. Yeah, look fantastic. You can use it to make the greeting cards, sending love to your friends or family. Thank you for your watching, and don't forget to subscribe, give me a like and share if you like the drawing. Thank you very much. See you. Bye.